It is time for my song of the week.
Okay,
It's
Jay.
Brooke and Jeffrey in the morning, and I don't know what you are all doing in your spare time, but me, I'm glued to cable TV.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
I haven't watched it in a decade, it feels like.
Specifically, the Weather Channel.
What?
Now we're getting weird,
Oh,
Jeff.
yeah. And right now, if you guys clearly you don't know, most of the country is living under sweltering conditions.
Oh, my
Yeah,
God.
it's heat dome time, baby.
Yeah. In fact, just last week, at least 6 different states broke the all-time temperature records there dating back to the 1800s.
Oh, wow.
So that's-
really got to show up the 1800s, huh?
Not a great sign. It's so hot right now. I actually saw a squirrel fanning itself with a Chipotle napkin the other day.
That's actually
I hope you took a video.
I didn't. It was cute, but also kind of sad.
Yeah.
And look, I don't want to be that guy complaining about, oh, summer is too hot.
But
I'm sorry, it's too freaking hot. It's so hot. And you know what I say? When life gives you heat stroke,
yeah.
you make heat stroke-a-nade.
Oh, I thought you
Okay.
should seek medical
I
attention.
bet you probably couldn't even taste
Yeah,
it.
well, you're right. Medical attention first, then the heat
Okay.
stroke-a-nade. And that's what I'm going to make today.
Ooh.
In honor of anybody stepping outside and entering the 7th layer of a nuked microwave burrito.
Yay.
I'm going to be singing a song for everyone who is currently melting into the pavement during this massive heat wave.
Oh,
I feel for you. And
Okay.
instead of doing Billie Eilish's hit song, Birds of a Feather,
Ooh.
it's Young Jeffrey's Sunburned Forever.
Wow, this is going to be like a really emotional
Yeah.
heat wave song.
It really, when you're that hot, the emotions do just
I guess.
ooze out of
Fair.
you.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to point when I'm ready. Here we go. Point. Stuck in a heat wave. Burns like aftershave. Smokin's what I say. Like Jim Carrey. Come and rescue me. Ben and Jerry. Been searching on YouTube. For DIY igloos. Yeah. Stewing my own juices. Sun braised me. Slow cooked my caboose. Made my own gravy. Melting like cheddar. Put the sweat in sweater. You know, never been wetter. Floods FEMA could never control. I'm sweaty Vedder. Droplets out my head, even flow with this weather. Hell might be better. I feel like a marshmallow in s'mores, more sticky than a frat house floor. Cheddar Bay biscuits by my side, 'cause I'm red lobster boiling alive. Just a human French fry, like the Anchorman guy, drinking hot milk as I cry. Tinder, help me please, to cuddle Mr. Freeze. Yeah, got stuck to my sheets when I woke up. Had to peel me free like a fruit roll up. The seatbelt in my whip got branded on my hip. Ow. Hotter than a pick of Sydney Sweeney. Drier than a stiff James Bond martini. I drove to the convenience store, climbed in their ice fridge, closed the door. Feel bad about the Kool-Aid guy, 'cause I pushed him down and drank his insides. That juicy nectar like Hannibal Lecter. I know I need a refresher, some rain, or even better, some snow. My skin is redder than a chili pepper, like frost in a Weber. Sunburned forever. And I'm not the optimistic type, but my jockstrap cup's half full with ice. Nude Zoom calls should be normalized. just during summertime. Good luck, everyone, in the summer heat. My lord.
And what a good idea to use Tinder to just date somebody who has air conditioning.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll just call him Mr. Freeze, right?
I'm trying to go for Elsa with that Frozen action,
It's not bad.
she's
It's
not swiping
bad.
back. So,
Dang it.
But you can text in to 78592 and tell us what you thought about our song of the week. I'm going to post the video up on our socials with all the lyrics there on our TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, all of it at Brooke and Jeffrey.
And maybe you can add your own hack outside of just a jock strap full of ice
Yes.
on how you stay cool in hot weather.
We need them right now. That's
It's at a pool bar.
it's your song of the week. We got your phone tap coming up in just a few minutes.